Hey guys, it's Nathaniel. Today I'm going to be opening a plant that we ordered online. It's our first ever plant that we've ordered online, and I just thought I would open it and share it with you guys. It's one of my favorite plants. It's a pitcher plant, Nepenthes Alata, and I just thought you guys would like to see it. It's packed very well. Let me see. Okay. A pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant. It eats bugs. We ordered it from Logies.com. Logies, something like that. Very well wrapped. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the pitcher plant. It has some little pitchers on it already. One of them got a little smashed. That one will probably end up falling off, but it's got a cute, teeny tiny one. I'm so excited about this plant. I just think they're so beautiful and interesting. There it is. Thanks for watching, guys.